Welcome, in front of me OnePlus 5T device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. To do that, first you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you don't use mobile data, disable it and use only Wi-Fi. If you're using right now the Wi-Fi, just disable the mobile data. When both of networks are enabled, both of them consume your battery power, so keep enable one of them. Then enable the battery saver mode, click turn on. Of course, wait a while, boom. Reduce screen brightness and disable the auto brightness mode. Of course, I need to make screen brighter because the screen is blinking on the camera when I making the screen dimmer. So then disable NFC and location services, and of course we need to enable the dark mode. Maybe not the night, but the dark mode. Do that in the display. And in display you need to enable the dark mode, but unfortunately in my case dark mode is not available in this mode, but then you need to click customization, and here click noir dark or something about it, and as you can see now dark mode is enabled. Why this mode can improve your battery life? It's just because here you have an OLED screen, and OLED screen is the screen which includes thousands of micro LED lamps, and in this screen, of course, if you have black color, so in these places lamps are just disabled because lamp can't create the black color, right? So in black places lamps are just disabled, and because of it your device will live longer. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.